What the fuck?
Yes. Welcome to the vlog, guys. We out here at Bowmanville, going to DDT, gonna race some cars. And Burble tuned the crap out of my car.
Oh my fucking gosh.
Yes.
Okay. Can you guys hear the turbo noise? Oh, fuck, that's so good. That's hot. That's very hot. Dude, this is non-stop laughter. Oh my gosh. Dude, if I had this car, I'd be an actual menace. Turbo noise. And also burble noise.
Oh, you want a downshift for the vlog? You gotta let the vlog hear a downshift.
No, but the turbo noise though.
Okay. But you put to hear the louder burbles.
Oh yeah.
One more time. Yeah, tap.
Oh my god, this is insane.
You can do it one more time.
No downshift?
Yeah. Yeah, tap. Tap it again. Oh my god, Michael's running your ass.
Okay. Dude, this guy's right on my ass, bro. This car's also so freaking fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is actually insane. I'll just smoke this guy in the dust. This car is so freaking fast. This just gives me the giggles every time. Dude, this car's too much fun. Okay, that's enough. Back to normal civilized driving now. Oh my freaking gosh.